Hi guys, it's Jovel Ann and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm gonna show you my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. So, before we start the video, I'm gonna show you what time is it na. So, ang oras natin ngayon ay 9:16. Ayan. Malapit na ako matulog at inaantok na ako. So, papakita ko na sa inyo ang aking nighttime skincare routine. So guys, as you can see, we are here in my bathroom and I'm ready to show you my skincare routine. So first, before we start the skincare, I tie my hair in a ponytail first so that my hair wouldn't go on my face. Then I'm gonna wash my hands first with a soap and everything that so that my hands would stay clean before I touch it on my face. Then I'm gonna just remove the excess. Then first I'm gonna use let's call this oil-free eye makeup remover. So yeah, I'm gonna use makeup remover. It's from Mary Kay. So yeah, let's remove the makeup that I have. So, ayun na. Tuwing may pasok ngayon, so ang gamit ko yung Mary Kay lang. Pero pag naka full face makeup ako, gamit ko yung shadow. Basta ganun siya. So, let's remove my makeup. So, pag everyday makeup lang ang gamit ko, guys, yung Mary Kay ang gamit ko lang. And gamit ko pala makeup remover. So, ayun ang dumi niya na. So, dahil tapos tayo sa makeup, pagtanggal ng makeup, let's proceed cleaning my face na. So, after cleaning my face with makeup remover, I'm gonna wash my face using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So, let's wash my face na. So I remove the excess oil first on my skin, then I'm gonna put a little bit of Cetaphil on my palm, then let's just massage it to our face. And after massaging it on my face, I'm gonna wash it now. Ayan. After I wash my face, you can see, ayan, yun yung bare face ko. Then, I'm gonna get my face towel, then I'm gonna dump it on my face lang. So, hindi ko siya ginaganon sa face ko kasi nakakasira siya ng face. Just dump it up until the excess water are already dry. Then my nose. Ayan. After the excess water are dry, I'm gonna moisturize my face before I sleep. So for the moisturizer, I'm gonna use the Cetaphil Pro Derma. So I'm gonna put a small amount of this one. Small lang siya din. And I put it on my face. And a circular motion. There. After we're done moisturizing my faces, I kinda have like acne or pimples. Yan, nakita ba yung pimples? Kasi mga pimples ako dyan. So, I'm gonna use this Epiduo Anti-Acne Gel. So, ayan siya. I'm gonna apply small amount on my face using my bare hands. Yeah. Small amount lang on the specific part where are the pimples are. Yan. After we're done using this Epiduo Anti-Acne Gel, we're done actually for my face. So, to finish my skincare routine, let's moisturize my lips so that when I woke up next morning, my lips would not be dry. Because, you know, my lips is kind of a bit of choppy. And I'm gonna use, before I forgot, I'm using the Vaseline Pure Petroleum Jelly on my lips. So as you can see on my past videos, I also use this one to moisturize my lips before I put a lipstick on. So, mapala kasi itong petroleum na rin to. Nakaka-help siya para hindi umitim ang ating labi kakalagay ng lipstick. So, ayun lang guys. So, we're done with my skincare routine. We're done with the video. So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, please click the like button and share it with your friends. At kung di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa aking subscribe channel, please click the subscribe button here. And kung gusto nyo laging updated sa mga videos, please click the bell button besides the subscribe button. And don't forget to comment down kung anong thoughts nyo about sa video na to or sa skincare na to. At kung ano yung mga skincare nyo rin na ginagamit. So, yun lang naman. At kung gusto nyo rin malaman, i-comment nyo rin daw kung anong gusto ng video ang i-post ko next. So, yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.